Soraya's rap.
Yo, check it. I'm on this train looking at the motherfucking doors. Give me more. Like I'm Britney Spears. And years.
Okay, your rap sucks. Yeah, what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna start off with yours. Yo. I'm on this train going to my shorty so I can get some bread.
I'm free.
Not free. Do you love me? Say I got to this thing. People are looking at me on the train. I'll do a better one. I'll think of it. Let's look at Denise eating chicken on the train because she's so ghetto. Eat that chicken, yeah, baby.
Remember, vagina hug.